Is your Nissan Rogue key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead battery. This guide shows how to replace it yourself for 2014-2020 models. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. The key fob uses a CR2032 battery. Make sure the positive side faces up. First, locate the small notch on the side of the key fob. Use a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to carefully open the case. Be gentle to avoid breaking the plastic. Inside, you'll find the battery. Note the orientation with the positive side up before removing the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Carefully snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Now test the fob near your Rogue to ensure the lock, unlock, and remote start functions are working. If your remote still isn't working after battery replacement, first ensure the battery is correctly installed and is a fresh CR2032. Try cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with a cotton swab and isopropyl alcohol to remove any corrosion or oil. Sometimes the key fob may need reprogramming. Try cycling the ignition and pressing the lock button on the fob. If problems persist, it could indicate water damage or internal circuit failure. Inspect the internals for corrosion, especially if you live in a humid climate. Use a universal programmer tool as a cheaper alternative to a dealer for reprogramming. If the remote still doesn't function, consult a dealership or automotive locksmith for further diagnosis or a replacement fob. Remember to properly dispose of the old battery at an e-waste recycling center.